Hello students and welcome to our class on playing with numbers. Today we will have a look at what are factors and what are multiples. Then we will see what are even and odd numbers, and last we will see what are prime and composite numbers. So let's begin. If we take the number 6, okay, let us list down which are the factors or which numbers have 6 in them. Which tables have 6 in them? Let's start with the smallest table, that is 1. 1, how many times will give it 6? 1 6 gives you 6. What is the next number? Table of 2. Does it have 6 in it? Yes. 2 3s gives you 6. Which is the next table? 3. 3, how many times will give you 6? Is it giving 6? Yes. 3 2s gives us 6. Then 4, table of 4, no. 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, no 6 in it. 6 ones are 6, yes. 6 ones are 6. So, see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tables which have 6 in them. So, let me mark it. These numbers which carry, or these tables which carry 6 in them, these numbers are called as the factors of 6. They are called as factors of the number 6. And 6 is a multiple in this table. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are therefore called as exact divisors of 6. Hence they are called as factors. Why I say divisors? Because when we use them in division form, suppose let's take the number 2 to divide 6 and let us see if we are getting a remainder 0 or no. 2 is called as a divisor, 6 is called as a dividend. 2, how many times will give it 6? 2 3s gives me 6. Subtract 6 minus 6 gives me 0. Yes, the remainder is 0. That means 2 is an exact divisor of 6. This is the remainder and this is the quotient. So 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Let us take one more example for factors. Let's take the table of 16 or the number 16. Let's take the number 16 and find its factors. Always start with the table of 1, and 1 is a factor for all the numbers. 1 16s gives me 16. What about the next table? 2, will it have 16 in it? Yes. How many times? 2 8s gives me 16. Next table of 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, no 16 in it. What about table of 4? 4 4s gives us 16. Okay. Then 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, no 16 in it. 5 4s are 20. Then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, no 16. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, no 16. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Yes, table of 8 carries 16, 8 2s are 16. And last we will have 16 1s are 16. How is an easy method how to find the factors. Okay, first let us mark the factors of 16. 1 2 4 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Let's count how many factors are there. 1 2 3 4 5 factors. So the number 16 has 5 factors. Now how do I know where to stop? Once you get a same number or you get the opposites of the number like 2 3s are 3 2s are, just stop calculating or counting further, multiplying further, and just take the opposite of the previous step. Now if I got 4 4s are, so I know this is the middle step. Then next number will be 8 2s are, correct? Then 16 1s are. They will come as the opposites of each other. Here, if I get an opposite 2 3s are and 3 2s are, then stop counting further. Take the previous step. 6 1s are 6. Let's take one more example. Let's take the number 20 and find its factors. 1 20s gives us 20. Then 2 10s are 20. Table of 3 does not have 20. 4 5s are 20. Then table of 5 4s are 20. Now stop. You got an opposite. Now don't count further. The next factor will be the opposite of the previous step. So previous step was 2 10s are. Now it will be 10 2s are 20, and before that we have 1 20s are. So it will be opposite now. 20 1s are 20. So these are my factors. How many factors 20 has? 1 2 3 4 5 6 factors. Which are they? 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. These are the factors of 20. So factors are exact divisors of a number. Now let's see what are multiples. Multiples are all those numbers which come in a particular table which is asked. Suppose if I say write the first 5 multiples of the table 8. First 5 multiples of 8. It will start with 8 ones are 8. Multiples you can write in a straight line. Factors you need to show in this form. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. These are the first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And does the multiple stop till 80? 8 tens are? No. It will go on further continuously. It can be 8 18s are, 8 40s are, 8 50s are, 8 55s are, 8 88s are. It will go on continuously. So these are some examples for multiples. Okay, let's take the first 4 multiples of the table 5. First 4 multiples of 5. So they will be starting from 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first 4 multiples of 5 are these. Now let us look at what are even and odd numbers. We have already learned about even and odd numbers. So let's revise back what are even and odd numbers. Simple hint or easy hint to remember what are even and odd numbers is all those numbers which come in the table of 2, they will be even numbers, and all those numbers which don't come in the table of 2, they will be odd numbers. Let's list them down. Even numbers starts from 2, 4, 6, all those numbers which come in the table of 2, 8, 10 and so on and on. Okay, and odd numbers will be the numbers which are not coming in this list. That will be starting from 1, 3, 5, 7. See, you can see the alternate numbers 1, 3. Between that is 2, which is an even number. Between 3 and 4 was 3 and 5 was 4. 4 is an even number. 3 and 5 are odd numbers. Then 9, 11, 13 and so on. So these are even and odd numbers. One more thing about even and odd numbers is the number 0 by itself is neither even nor odd. So what we say is 0 by itself is neither even nor odd number, but when it is put with another number, like if I take the number 12 and if I put the 0 in the units place or ones place, the number 12 was even number, but if I put a 0, it makes the whole number even and it becomes even. What if I take 33? 33 is a odd number. If you check the ones place, you will know if it is a even or odd number. 3 is a odd number, so it makes the whole number as odd number. What if I put a 0 at the end, units place? It makes 330. 0, when you add with another number in the units place only, then it makes the whole number as even number. Let us see what are prime and composite numbers now. The numbers which has only two factors, that is 1 and its own table or itself we call it, all those numbers are prime numbers. Let us take 5. Example, 5 has 1 5s and 5 1s, only two factors. What about let's take 13, 1 13s, 13 1s, two factors. What about 2, 1 2s and 2 1s? It has only two factors, that is a table of 1 and itself. Okay, so those numbers we call as prime numbers. Then if we take example 10, 1 10s, 2 5s, 5 2s and 10 1s. Now this one has four factors. 10 has four factors. So 10 becomes a composite number. More than two factors, they become composite numbers. More than two factors. Now one more thing to remember in prime and composite is 2 is the only smallest even number. All are odd numbers in prime numbers. Like, can we list them down? 2, 3, 5, 7. All these are composite numbers, but 2 by itself is the only even prime number. And composite number starts from table of 4, number 4, then 6. All will be even, but this will be even and odd also, and this will be the smallest composite number 4. Now what about 1? 1 has only one factor. 1 1s are 1, and it doesn't come under prime, neither composite. So we say 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. That's it for today. Thank you, students. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe.